What's going on? What?
You just take off and you get 90.
No.
Absolutely not.
No, absolutely not, dude.
There's a red bike and it's doing 130 now.
That was definitely not me.
Alright.
So what you guys just saw is what happened right after I turned on my camera. I saw this cop get behind me, and then he came up next to me and asked me if I just ran from another cop. I, of course, answered no, and that's when he proceeded to follow me and then pulled me over at this gas station that you're about to see. This one's kind of a long one, so I hope you guys grab a snack, lay back, and enjoy the video.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
So, River just called us.
Yeah.
Said a red Ducati with a guy wearing pants like that just ran.
Okay, that was not me.
Where are you coming from?
I just came from Westlake.
That's exactly where he was calling from.
Okay, that was not me.
Were you driving aggressively fast on 90?
No. I mean, I'm going faster than the speed of traffic. I'm not going that fast.
All right,
Not nearly.
So they clocked a red Ducati at 143 miles an hour. And they chased it, and they said it got off on 117. And I saw you on 117. You know what I mean?
That was not me.
So, are you willing to give me your driver's license? And
Yeah, I can give you anything you need.
All right, let's get the license. This is your plate.
Oh, if I take this off?
Yeah. I appreciate you being cool about it. It's
Yeah,
just,
no.
there's a lot of variables that are pointing to this. Is, I mean, you know what I mean?
It seems a little coincidental, but
But I mean, the other thing is a lot of these bikes run.
I would
Because
assume
obviously
so.
they're fast as all. So.
Ducati, that's like a very expensive.
Hey.
Hello. We're at the Shell in 117. Not 117 because okay, well, I'm talking to him now. He's saying it was actually not him. So, all right, so are you, where are you at right now? Okay. So, all right, sounds good.
All right, sir.
What? Yeah. I know you've been cooperating with me. Obviously, there's a river guy that's on 117 and wants to talk to you, see if you were with anybody else and things like that. I'm not sure what he wants to talk to you about. So honestly, I'm gonna be very upfront with you. I don't have enough me as a legal cop to hold you, so if you want to go and leave, I can't do anything about it. But if you want to just give the river peace of mind, if you say you're innocent, you didn't do it, then you didn't do it. That's fine. All right, these little you be here in a couple minutes.
We'll just wait here then?
Yeah, here. So were you about to fill up your gas?
I just did.
You already did. So, like I said, I'm gonna draw it out for you. River called out. So Westlake said there's a motorcycle doing eastbound on 90.
Yeah.
At a very high rate of speed. Westlake said that. River is on 90. Clocked a bike, the red Ducati, with someone wearing tiger pants, doing 143 down 90. They chased it.
Sounds like you, right?
Yeah, but it's
Obviously-
it sounds to me it's like 100. They got that 140 on that.
And obviously, 143 miles an hour with these cars, we're not going to have a chance of catching you. I'm sure you know that. So, but like I said, I can't be more clear about this as far as Lakewood goes. I cannot hold you here. But if for peace of mind, River does want to just have a chat with you and see what's going on, all right? So, I want to let you know that.
A 996.
This is a V4.
So how fast can it go?
Very. That's why I wish I was on one of my slower bikes. I'd be like, oh, I can't do that speed beside. I can't even say that.
Dry stuff cut.
What's up?
Dry stuff.
Yeah, this one's a wet clutch. Feel a little bit more miles up.
Well, that's hey, it's like when you're on social media. Sometimes you get arrested based on social media law. Because we see
Oh, I don't post any of that. I don't post any.
yeah,
I got a million followers. Yeah,
You have a million followers?
Yeah.
So you have more than a couple bikes in?
I do. I have H2, SPK, T7. I just got
So what, you 20 out? 22. 22? Damn. So tonight you're just going to jump up there.
I was gonna go to the pier, try to get some photos, but
Are we being filmed?
maybe.
Yeah.
No, I don't. Like I said, I've chased motorcycles quite a few times. I'm sure, and it's. I know you guys had us beat. So sure. No, this is not about today. I'm just genuinely curious. I'm not trying to. Maybe you won't have to answer this question. But I'm liable for your answer this time. How fast have you gone?
Have I gone? Say the track. So I'm
on a track. Let's call it on a track.
It blanks out at 186. So beyond that, I do not know. People say around 200. Well, that's why I've been doing this for 5 years. I haven't had a speed.
What's your favorite of 3 bikes?
I saw him.
Oh, I hate to say it, it's just character.
My buddy had a 996 with a dry south. It was a spooky bike.
When I'm coming down, like literally, I saw the speed limit was 25. I was trying to get him to help him to pull me over, so I'm like, really focus. You have to really focus. You know,
Just took it out of gear and just let it coast. Yeah.
well, ideally, like 35 is nice to go into 25 because other cars are already doing something.
Yeah.
Go like 5 over. It's only just going faster than the cars. Not that much for the local guys.
River? Oh, he's right here. He's
Oh,
just,
great.
he just want to ask you like a couple questions. I think.
Okay. Actually, I don't think the same guy. The it's not the same. Wait, are you the same guy?
Yeah, so that's why I want to talk.
What's going on?
So your GoPro running?
Yes, it is.
Okay, you're good. So this is what I'm going to talk. Okay. We all know where you live. Okay. What are you doing in Westside?
I was like, Robert.
Okay, so I got the call from Westside saying a red button at higher range speed is coming off strong. That's all sit down, man. Red bike, could have been a CDR. You know, it could have been a 2007 CDR or something like that, but man to man, I worry about you. I don't want you getting hurt. Okay, I don't have enough of whether or not to say it's your car. But we all know you got stones, you got a nice bike. My bike I had, it looked like the plate was split though. I know a lot of you guys run a plate that wiggles, so it could have mishap with that. I don't know. As soon as I lit it up, it got off at the So it looked like it got off and the Kinley kept going down marginal. I couldn't get off because the other cars were around me. They weren't slowing down. You know how we did. I ride bikes, you ride bikes. You know how it goes, okay, dude? People see a bike or a police cruiser, they don't know how to get over, they don't pay attention, they get, stargates. I don't know if it's your bike, I don't know if it was somebody else, but crazy coincidence of this. But I'll be honest, it's just seriously be careful. I got your plate. I mean, you're not known for it, so I'm not going to give you a hard time about it. I just thought it was funny. Like, you called me behind the red bike right now. Dude. Like, I got your plate. You're probably not even come out of it.
I got everything.
Because, dude, it looked like the plate was completely flipped up. And yours looks like, but a lot of them can. So, just please be careful.
Yeah.
All right. I don't have enough to cite you or anything like that. But
I appreciate you coming.
be careful because a lot of people are going to be looking.
Yeah.
All right. Just try to be careful.
Yeah. That's all. I'm just trying to go to the bike. So.
Yeah. Where are you going now? You going home?
No, I was gonna go to the pier. That's like where I was gonna go play out butters, but help this bike out, which I barely have out. So
Yeah. Well, my dude looked like they had a hood on the back, but
I don't know if that counts.
Yeah. it could have looked like something like that, like a jacket. I'm like, okay, you always have that thing running, especially with all these people. All right, you good? Yeah. Promise me you're good. But all right,
That's a good one.
I know. All right, be nice to this guy if you ever see him. Of course.
Like the chase bikes now.
Do that.
Thing, yeah.
Yeah, we're all chasing. I got bigger fish to buy it. Be careful. Can't reach out enough. Hey, take care. Ride safe. Pay attention. All right.
Safe travels.
Yeah, bro. You too. Okay. Stay out of trouble, please.
Yes, sir.
Holy boys. One of the most intense stops of my life. Oh man, that was one of the craziest stops of my life. That was one of the craziest stops of my life. I don't even want to hop back on the bike, dude. Oh my goodness. How am I not in handcuffs? I mean, they were pretty chill. Like, it wasn't me. Yeah, so here's what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna take the highway home. I'm just gonna take the little bitty side roads home. That sounds pretty good to me, right? Lesson, right? Lessons. I'm so thankful to live in this country, man. I know my rights. You don't have to talk to cops if you don't want to. If they can't prove you did anything wrong, you don't have to talk to them, but I just thought it would be the best interest because I didn't think I did anything wrong. I'm like, okay, I can talk. And look, ended up being the right move. Dude was chill. I know that cop. He's been in a past video, actually. This is starting to become a pattern. Little old me, I never do anything wrong. Come on. Now, see me, I don't break the law. I'm always law-abiding citizen. The point is, I didn't run from any cops. That I knew for sure. So I was like, that's why I was like fairly confident. I'm like, I know nothing's gonna go wrong here. I'm obviously nervous, bro. I'm shaking in every cop video. I swear. One of these days, bro, I am just gonna chill the f out. I'm gonna get pulled over so much that I'm just like, it's just another thing that you deal with. I don't know, bro. Authority makes me a little like freaky. Ever since I was little, I'm like, like go to the vice principal's office. I'm like, because they do have a lot of power in their hands to like control what happens. And I'm just like, I don't want to do anything to mess it up. So I get nervous, and that's why I shake so much. I'm like, I don't know. Point is, boys, we are not in jail tonight. No speeding ticket, no citation. My plate, right there. Exhaust, straight piped, but that's legal in this state. Exhaust might be a little bit illegal, but like we'll cross that bridge whenever we come to it. I got mirrors, and I mean I got gear on. I got a helmet. I mean that's, again, I don't have to wear a helmet. I'm in Ohio. I don't have to do that, but I'm doing it anyways because I'm a good boy. Being safe on the roadway. Anyway, if I'm gonna have to start doing cop reviews, maybe. I don't know. If I did cop reviews, those guys would be a 10 out of 10. They would chill. I don't even think they ever turn on their lights, which was like really bad for a thumbnail, so thanks guys. Next time, can you like pin me to the back of the bike? It'd be like really sick for the camera. I'm just saying. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good night. I'm gonna go take the side roads home. Probably hike hike the old dusty trail, huh? Yeah, we're chilling, baby. Yeah, we're gonna go home now. Bye bye.